Hello children, greetings to you all. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, we thank you for protecting us all these days. I praise you and give you thanks for all the blessings you have bestowed. Amen. Okay children, today's class we shall revise unit 1. Okay, so we shall revise few important one words and question answers. Okay, so let's recall what we studied in this lesson. So the lesson name is ancient excavation. Okay, so what is excavation? Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. So what people will do? They will dig the ground and they will take out the things that were buried under the ground, and they will examine those things and they will find the past of our ancestors. Okay, past of the people who lived before. Okay, so the people who dig the ground are called as archaeologists. Okay, so archaeologists are a person who dig the ground and they will take out the things and they will examine and they will find out the past. So archaeologists study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze artifacts. So what are artifacts? The things that we got from the ground are called as artifacts. Okay, so if at all we want to know about our ancestor, all these things, what the archaeologists do, they will dig the ground and they will, if the things that were under the ground, they will take it out and they will examine and they will find out about the people's lifestyle. Okay, so pyramids and Indus civilization are excavation sites in the world. So pyramids and Indus civilization are the oldest sites that were excavated around the world. Then Adichanallur, Keezhadi and Arikamedu are important excavation sites in Tamil Nadu. So even in Tamil Nadu, many excavation sites were there. Even now excavation is going out and people digging the ground and they were taking the things out that were used by your ancestors. Okay, so these are the things that we studied in the unit 1. So let's move on to few one words. Okay, so one word, dash study the history of humans and places to excavation. Archaeologists study the history of human and places through excavation. Okay, small pyramids were made for the queen in Egypt. Small pyramid is made for queen in Egypt. Okay, Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. Adichanallur is in Thoothukudi. Adichanallur is in Thoothukudi. Okay, Keezhadi revealed the Sangam era. Keezhadi revealed the Sangam era. Okay, next one. Excavation is controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. Okay, so excavation is the controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. Okay, Indus civilization was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Indus civilization was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated 4 km from Pondicherry. Adichanallur is an archaeological site situated 4 km from Pondicherry. The process of digging the ground is called excavation. The process of digging the ground is called as excavation. Dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Ariyalur district. Dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Ariyalur district. Okay, these are a few fill in the blanks. It may come in choose the correct answer also. Okay, next, true or false? During excavation, many artifacts were found. It is true. Indus civilization is located in Harappa. Indus civilization is located in Harappa. False. It is not located in Harappa. The other name of Indus civilization is Harappa. Okay. Adichanallur is an archaeological site in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. Adichanallur is an archaeological site in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. false. Okay. Kizhadi excavation revealed that it was not a developed city. Kizhadi excavation revealed that it was not a developed city. False. It wasn't developed city for that time. Okay. Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, etc. were found in Arikamedu. True. All these were found in Arikamedu. Okay. Next, excavation gives us a glimpse of the past. So, it is true. Because of excavation only, we are able to know about the past. It is true. Indus civilization is also called Mohenjo-daro civilization. False. Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. Okay. Pyramids and Indus civilization are excavated sites in the world. True. Pyramids and Indus civilization are the excavated sites around the world. Okay. The Archaeological Survey of India excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Kizhadi village. It is true. Okay. Even now also in Kizhadi excavation are going on. Okay. Next, match the following. So, pyramid, Egypt. Baked bricks, Indus civilization. Earthen pots, Adichanallur. Sewage canal, ceramic tools. Arikamedu, Roman lamps. Excavation, accidental. So, excavation are of three types, that is planned, accidental or rescue. Okay, excavation, accidental. Archaeological sites, artifacts. Indus civilization, protective walls. Adichanallur, it is in Thoothukudi. Okay. So, for example, please study all this revision. Okay. Question answer. Okay, these are the important short answers. So, what is excavation? Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. Who is an archaeologist? The study of history of human and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Excavations gives us the glimpse of the past. So, who is an archaeologist? They study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Excavations gives us a glimpse of the past. Okay. Next one. Where is Kizhadi located? Where is Kizhadi located? Kizhadi is located in Sivagangai district. Kizhadi is located in Sivagangai district. Okay. Next, detailed answer. So, this answer will come for sure. Please read this answer properly. Okay. Describe the Indus civilization. Describe the Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground. The city was a well-planned, proper sanitation system, proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. So, we shall read the answer once again. Okay, read along with me. Describe the Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground. The city was a well-planned, proper sanitation system, proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. Okay children, so these are the important one words and question answers from this unit 1. Please revise it, okay, for your exams. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.